Hi there, my name is Taylor Copland, and welcome to the first video of my new series on how to use the MA2 software. In this series, I want to go over stuff like what is a universe, what are channels, you know, how to make a patch, groups, color palettes, and whatnot. And I want to start super basic and work my way up all the way to like cloning, macros, networking, and whatnot. So you get the full spectrum of like super basic to super advanced. So you're not missing any steps in between. As we go through, I want to show you some of my favorite tips and time savers to really speed up your workflow of making your show files and getting your show up and running as fast as possible. And along the way, I'm also going to show you how I make some of my show files. That way you kind of have a reference of like what to do and what not to do if you're just getting into this. By all means, if you have a system that works for you now, keep doing it. There's no right or wrong way to make a show file per se. But there are some key things that will help you increase your workflow and save time even when running a show even. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the first video, and thank you so much for watching.